Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Google Ads search impression share? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know what your impression share is with your Google Ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running Google Ads, if you're only getting a small percentage of the impression share, sometimes you can increase your budget to increase your visibility. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see what your impression share is in Google search, it's going to be handled on the campaign button over here on the left. Once you click there, go ahead and click on campaigns. Now you can check the impression share for campaigns, ad groups, and ads. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose campaign. Okay, once you do that, you want to click in this box and choose the campaign that you want to check your impression share for. Okay, so now that you've loaded up the campaign that you want to check your impression share for, down here in the chart, you're going to click on columns and click on modify columns. Okay, next what we're going to do is open up this menu, all column. All right, once you do that, you want to click on this one, competitive metrics. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and see which one of these metrics you want to add. If you want to know what the search impression share is, you're going to click here, and then you're going to click on apply. Okay, once you click on apply, we've added a new column. So we're going to go ahead and just scroll right on over to it. So here we can see the search impression share for this particular campaign is 81%. So if you want to drill that down by the ad group, you can click over here on the left, ad group. Okay, now you can see in the ad group, it's not showing up. So we're going to do the same thing. Click on columns, modify columns, all columns, click on competitive metric, and then check search impression share and apply. Okay, so now we can see that we added a new column. This particular campaign, I haven't been running ads for this customer for a few years, but you can see right here, search impression share for some of them are at 100%. So it doesn't go down far enough because it's only showing 10 rows. So we can go ahead and open that up. I'll click 500. Okay, so now we can go ahead and scroll through. So for example, right here in Florence, it looks like they had 91% of the search impression share. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the impression share for your Google Ads campaign, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.